Hey, what's going on, guys? Auto Squad here, back at it with another video. So today it's gonna be my first video I ever make on this channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to recondition your battery. I had this battery for over 6 years, and you can see right here, only 6-year warranty on it. And basically, I'm gonna recondition it and try to make it as new as possible. And this is the things you're gonna need to do this. So what you're gonna need is a flathead. It can be any flathead. You're gonna need a flashlight. It can be any flashlight you can got. Distilled water and a car battery charger. You would need this, and you would need to charge it for around 30 minutes after you would add the distilled water to the cells. So the first thing you're gonna do is gonna remove this, pull it up so you can get more space to work on the car. So these are the caps, and you would just want to gently go under them and just like so, pull it up like that. Make sure it doesn't pop and break, or else your battery's gone. So this is one. You want to be careful because this is acid, so just be careful. Do it for the other side. Just be careful with it. From edges, get it from the edges. Be easier for you. Make sure it doesn't pop or crack. Like that, and remember which side it goes on. So I just put it beside the positive and put it close to the negative right here. So what you want to see is see these cells right here. That's a lot of corrosion, so you want to see the cells. So if you see one that's really low, you would have to fill it up. You would stop when it looks like an oval shape, or something like a round shape. You can see it. So this one right here, this one's pretty low. This last cell right here is pretty low. So you want it to look like an oval shape. This one's pretty low too, so we'll get started on it. Add a bit of distilled water. So right here, adding water. Pretty good now. This one a bit. This one a bit. And last one. Perfect. So after adding the distilled water, put the caps where they belong. Flip it and put it right here. Tap it a few times. Got the other one. Same procedure. Just like so. Make sure, see this one right here has a little crack. Just push it all the way down so nothing would happen. Same thing for this side, little right here. Push it all the way down. Get all the corners and make sure it's tucked all the way down so nothing leaks. Good to go. So the thing is, you're gonna do is you're gonna press charge. And you would want to let it charge until it says full. And after it says full, you would press the recondition button. And I would put it around for a full day so the battery can get reconditioned. The water can turn into acid. And if you don't have a charger, you could run your car for about 15 to 30 minutes, and then it should be good. I would take it around the block for a bit, drive it, and then it probably will be good. So it says right here it's charging. We'll let it charge for a couple days, or a couple hours, sorry. And then after that, we're gonna press the recondition button. I would say 4 hours and I've finished. So what I'm gonna do is press this recon button. It's reconditioning the battery. And I would let it sit for, like I said, a day. Hey guys, so it's been about a day and a half, and it stopped charging, and the battery should be good by now. It should be all good to go. You should have a fully conditioned battery. And I would do that before buying a new battery. You save a lot of money, you save a lot of time, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay safe, have a great day.